Hi guys! Today I'm doing a really easy swipe to create what kind of looks like a lavender garden. I'll list all my paint colors and ratios in the description box. A number of you have asked me how much I stir my paints once I've added the silicone, so I thought I'd show that part of the process today. After adding just a drop of silicone to each of the colors, I just stir a few times and then the paints are ready to go. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. And if you'd like to see exactly how I mix my paints for a swipe painting, I do actually have a video on that, so I'll include a link to that particular video in the description box if you're interested. Now that the paints are ready, we can have some fun pouring the colors out onto the canvas to get ready for the swipe. This is phthalo green, light blue, light violet, emerald, violet, and phthalo blue. Now I'm just covering the open spaces in the canvas with the paint that's left in the cups. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas and I have about 33 grams of paint in each of the cups. Now I'm laying down some titanium white. This white is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas and it doesn't contain any silicone. Okay, now for the fun part, doing the swipe. For this, I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic wrapper that the canvas came in. Here, I'm just using the paint that stayed on the plastic after the swipe to help cover the edges of the canvas. I'm using my palette knife here just to gently swipe up a bit more white. Now for a quick close-up. I like how big some of these green cells are against the white. And I really like some of the colouring up here. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.